This Christmas, Paris has once again transformed into an ultimate wonderland destination. Walk with us through dazzling Parisian streets, spotting the 3D installments which have temporarily transformed the city walls, turning building into art and Paris into a true Christmas movie. We have captured some of the most magical and special moments this season, including Paris' rare snow sighting, a scene that left us wondering if Monet had come and painted the city white. Let us be your guide to the must-see things this season, sharing with you all the excitement that has gotten the Parisian Vibe team well and truly into the Christmas spirit. Today we start by sharing with you a very special scenery, something truly unique and rare, a scenery of Paris blanketed in most November snow in over 55 years, a rare Parisian wonderland, a scene not far from a real-life Monet painting. Flourish of snowballs and huge snowflakes fell from the sky, slow enough to actually see the lace-like details of its shape. Paris was temporarily changed by its new white coat. The city of light came to life, with street lamp glows and warm yellow hues gleaming from shuttered windows of Parisian apartments. It was truly a white Christmas come early, a love letter to Paris, but most of all, the perfect beginning to the festive spirits ahead. Famous poet Émile Nelligeon perfectly captured the personal effect snow has upon our moods in his last verse in Soir d'hiver.
Ah, comme la neige a neigé. Ma vitre est un jardin de givre. Ah, comme la neige a neigé. Qu'est-ce que le spasme de vivre à tout l'ennui que j'ai.
Continuing our Parisian wonderland, let us take you through some of the famous streets of Paris, beautifully transformed by dazzling lights decorating the French capital. While the days grow darker earlier, Paris shines brightly this Christmas, with a carpet of lights accompanying your stroll through its iconic streets. Twinkling bulbs and fairy lights adorn tree branches and trunks, while big red bows are tied to the back of streets' railings. The city of love at its finest, a scene of true beauty and romance. Every year, Dior unveils a show-stopping Christmas display, a tradition streaming back from the mid-20th century. But this season's spectacular 3D installments may be the most magical yet. This year celebrates Dior's special flagship location at Avenue Montaigne, the Kingdom of Dreams. Spanning 4 floors, the display is a miniature wonderland filled with some iconic Dior symbols and Parisian landmarks. Look closely and you will spot Monsieur Dior's famous Lucky Star or signature Lady Dior bags alongside the 2 famous landmarks of Paris, the mini Arc de Triomphe and Tour Eiffel, which amazingly shimmers up on the spot. Alongside these iconic images, a miniature Dior store is placed within the wall's decoration, placing themselves on the list of must-see Parisian landmarks. And this year's lighting ceremony was extra special, with iconic French actress Laetitia Casta joining Dior's CEO Delphine Arnoul for the grand switch-on this November. Get lost in time, staring into the chiming cuckoo clocks, which hang from some installments, an entrancing sight which truly captures the grandeur of Christmas at Dior. This year, we felt that Dior has truly become one of the main attractions for experiencing the magic of Christmas. Their iconic Rue Saint-Honoré location has been transformed into a scene reminiscent of Alice venturing into an underground wonderland, walls and windows illuminated by a stunning mythical underworld. At first glance, it might seem like an unconventional Christmas theme, but it effortlessly transports you to a world of imaginations, the essence of a Christmas magic imagined by Dior. This year's display celebrates the mythical world of Dior's Cruise 2025 collection, conceived by Maria Grazia Chiuri. Dive into the mesmerizing underwater enchantments of Dior's displays, where radiant coral hues and sea creatures bring a fairy tale to life. If the design seems familiar, it's no coincidence. Each decoration is an illustration brought to life from Pietro Ruffo's Dior Cabinet de la Mer, Ruffo, an acclaimed Italian artist known for his intricate and thought-provoking drawings and installations, has been a long-time Dior collaborator. He beautifully captures the mythical essence of the sea, a perfect escape for this Christmas season. Christmas is the most magical time of the year for children, with stocking hung and wish lists ready to be fulfilled. This year, few stores have managed to capture a child's imagination better than Sarah Home on Rue du Bac. The store has been transformed into Santa's workshop, completed by beautiful designed letters and letterboxes waiting to be sent to the North Pole. This enchanting setup almost makes you believe that Santa truly exists, and that he might have relocated to Paris for this season. One of our favorite features from Sarah's store is the beautifully crafted Christmas dollhouse. Celebrating all things miniature, the model mirrors the store's iconic exterior, once home to the Bon Marché warehouse, reimagined as a snowy white scene. Through its tiny windows, you can peek into a whimsical animal world where figurines dressed in cozy winter attire, wrapping presents, baking treats, and preparing for the holidays. The charm is so irresistible that you might find yourself wishing for a dollhouse this Christmas, even as an adult. Another must-see stop is Galeries Lafayette, one of Paris's most iconic department stores, which transforms into a Christmas wonderland every year. Since 1976, the centerpiece of the celebrations has always been their enormous Christmas tree, suspended beneath the store's iconic dome. This year, the tree marks a dual celebration, Christmas and Galeries Lafayette's 130th anniversary. To reimagine this cherished tradition, Galeries Lafayette collaborated with designer Kevin Germanier, renowned for his dazzling designs, including the Golden Voyageur, created for the Paris Olympics. Drawing inspiration from the neon window displays of the 1950s, Germanier gave the tree a contemporary and sustainable twist, crafting it from recycled materials and illuminating it with an outstanding 20,000 lights. The result is a stunning chandelier-like Christmas tree, bursting with vivid colors and pink hues. A true spectacle that commemorates Galeries Lafayette's remarkable milestones while honoring Paris's timeless love for light and magic. Unlike our previous stops, which you cannot take home, this gem allows you to walk away with a piece of mystical decoration to transform your own space. Known in French as Passage Couvert Parisien, the Passage Geoffroy in the 9th arrondissement is home to the enchanting Christmas storefront of La Maison des Rois. The name La Maison des Rois translates to the King's House in French, reflecting association with regal and royal aesthetics. It evokes a sense of grandeur, luxury, and the elegance of the 18th century French decorative styles, which are central to its design philosophy. You can almost feel the historical opulence in the finely crafted items it offers. If you want to bring a touch of France's bygone royal era to your Christmas decor, this is definitely a place you don't want to miss.